Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic6 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find either users and accounts or Google. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it and tap on Add Account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you. And here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it, at least try to do it quickly, and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can always remove it, just tap on it and tap on Remove. Tap on Remove, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.